very good afternoon from Robert Mugabe International Airport. Today I'm flying to Addis Ababa on board the Boeing 777-300 there just behind me, Ethiopian Airlines. So I'm going to be taking with you, just showing you the trip review, So come along and let's fly together and let's enjoy this one. It's been a while since I've been traveling alone, and today I'm traveling by myself. My wife is back home. I just came here to do some other business. So come on guys, let's fly together this 777 to Addis. She is a beauty. They say that this engine size, or the diameter, or the circumference rather, it's the size it's equivalent to the fuselage of Boeing 737. And oh look, we've got a female pilot. That's a lady. Beautiful. She's just doing a walk around checks. This aircraft have just arrived from Addis, probably via Zambia, or it came straight to Harare, and we'll be going back via Zambia, or we're going to be going direct. That is if it has come through Zambia. I don't know if that makes sense. So now I think they're just, they're offloading the baggage from the people that just came from Addis. And then soon they'll be loading our baggage. And we'll be ready to fly. Beautiful aircraft. Hopefully I'll be able to get to the cockpit when we arrive in Addis. Alright, I'll catch you on board. Alright, just walking into the gate now. And this is gate 16 for us to Addis Ababa. And you can see people are just chilling in here, waiting for the boarding time. And if you walk across there, you can see there's a lot of parked aircraft. And look, there's a smoking shelter where the smokers can do their thing. And there's a business class lounge. And it looks very basic. I don't know. There's nothing wow about this place. It's closed for some reason, I don't know why. The fridge is empty. And there's not even a TV in there. Well, over there, you can see our Boeing 767. Famous, I don't know the name of it, but it's a very famous aircraft. It's parked over there. And we've got another one over there, I don't know what it's called. And behind that one, a little embryo, we've got a Boeing 777. Currently this is for Air Zimbabwe. We never used it. It's never been in service since we acquired it. It's an ex-Malaysian aircraft. It's been sitting on the tarmac for a very long time. We've got quite a number of aircraft that are sitting on the tarmac here in Zimbabwe. There's another Airbus 320 that I've seen as well. We haven't seen it in the skies, but it's parked somewhere in the sun at this airport. But yeah, a new development. That is a new building. It says Zimbabwe State Pavilion. It wasn't there before. So yeah, welcome to Zimbabwe. And this is our gate for today. Gate 16. Right. I've got a feeling something's not very right. You see this fire truck? It's been going up and down this particular aircraft that we are flying today. And I've seen a pilot, the female, doing a walk around check. And she went back up the stairs when she was done with her walk around. A few moments passed by. She came back down again and did a walk around check. And then I've seen another pilot now, a male one. That's him there. He's gone out again. That's very unusual to have both pilots do a walk around check. I'm assuming something is not very normal. Anyway, we'll find out soon. And this guy is probably on standby. There he is. We'll see what's happening. I'll keep you guys posted if I was right or wrong. Just on the line for boarding. Gate 16 for Ethiopian. November to Addis. The screens look very old. As you can see, the leg room is quite okay. You've got a USB charging port there, and I think this is for earphone. I'm not sure. That's all about it. And then oh, there's a cup holder here on the 777 where you can put your cup and hold your cup. And that's about it. Beautiful aircraft. Passengers are just coming in. And soon we'll be taking off. We're right on time. We began taxiing to the runway, and after a short while we were lined up on the runway. Apparently this is the second longest runway in Africa with 4,725 meters long. We took off heading on the northern direction, heading towards Addis Ababa. So this was us just lifting off and off to Addis Ababa. Soon after takeoff, we reached our cruising altitude and it was time for a meal service. We had quite a number of options: fish, chicken or beef. And on this flight I went for beef, which was very tasty. And afterwards I even went to the galley and I chatted with the cabin crew, and I also got to get some extra local injera. Unfortunately I didn't get to video that. And finally, after 4.5 hours of flying on a Boeing 777, we began our descent into Addis Ababa. And over there, we're just flying over the Addis Ababa city. Beautiful views at night. And welcome to Addis Ababa, ladies and gentlemen. Just holding short for that aircraft that is coming.
Sta atterrando.